I thought we should talk a little bit about what's going on with Tesla. All over the news, we're seeing that Tesla's getting recalled. There's 300,000 vehicles that are getting recalled in China because of cruise control safety concerns. And a lot of this is really just complete FUD. They're just spreading fear coming out of China, getting people to get scared of investing in Tesla stock, not really understanding what's going on because we all know people really only read the headlines. So in today's video, I thought we'd just talk about what's going on there, because if you don't actually dig into the details, you're gonna not understand what's going on and you may be misinformed, and it may cause a lot of fear and a lot of selling off. So we're gonna go over exactly what's going on, and all I ask is that you guys like the video, subscribe, and if you don't already have the public.com investing app, make sure to go ahead and follow me on that. You can buy stocks, sell stocks, and see exactly what I'm buying and selling in real time, as well as a full portfolio breakdown. Think of it like an investing app combined with social media. It is completely free to follow me. Use the code Michael when you sign up and you'll get up to $50 in a free stock. But anyways, we saw a bunch of articles come out in the last week of June on Saturday, June 26, 2021, explaining how Tesla recalls more than 285,000 vehicles in China over cruise control safety concerns. And basically what they said is that according to regulators, the vehicle's cruise control systems could be activated by accident, causing them to speed up unexpectedly. Owners can upgrade their vehicle's cruise control system software remotely. But when we start looking at all of these articles, when we search on Google, Tesla recall, we could see that it says Tesla to recall nearly 300,000 China-made Model 3 vehicles, Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. Tesla recalls 285,000, Tesla recalls 285,000. We just look all across the board, and this looks really bad. This looks like there's a lot of negative news coming out that this cannot be good at all for Tesla stock, and that they're gonna have to recall vehicles, send them back to the factory. That's what this looks like. But when we start actually looking at what is going on with the details, while many of these reports don't mention it till the third or fourth paragraph, essentially what it is that right now these vehicles are being recalled, but not recalled in the sense that you think that they have to send back all the vehicles and Tesla has to change something or fix a part or what you would normally expect. No. Instead, with this recall, all Tesla is doing is issuing an online software update. Owners don't have to return their vehicles at all. This is an online, over-the-air software update. So it is so simple, and they could have just said Tesla needs to issue an update for 300,000 vehicles in China for Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. But instead of saying Tesla has to issue an update, a software update, it sounds a lot more fun to just say, oh, Tesla recalls vehicles in China. And we see this so many times with the news and the media. They always say, they try and make major headlines, always talk about the most dramatic headlines they could think of. And we stopped doing that on this channel because now all we do for, like, let's say crypto and Bitcoin updates, instead of saying massive Bitcoin, incredible Bitcoin news, we just say cryptocurrency and Bitcoin news. I'm not trying to do any crazy titles because it spreads wrong information out there and people don't know what's actually going on. Because with this, if you just read the title, you would think that something is really bad, something really bad happened with Tesla and all of their vehicles, but that's not the case. In addition to this, we see this happen with so many stocks. We see this with AMC. All these headlines come out and say AMC, AMC Entertainment is playing a movie that won't end well. AMC, get out of AMC, meme stocks are going away. It says that, invest in something else. Can AMC survive without the Reddit crowd? Basically, you see all these different articles that say, forget about AMC, forget about GameStop, look at other stocks. And we see this with Tesla. We see this so many times with the media where they come out and say, look, they come up with the most dramatic title they can think of, when in reality, all this was a software update. So right now, Tesla's stock price is sitting right under $700 per share. Tesla's stock price is currently at $671 per share. When we pull it up right here, you can see $671.87 per share. The stock price is doing really well lately. We've actually seen it bounce back after a pretty hard 2021. For year to date, the stock is down 7.9%, but that's because we reached all-time highs of nearly $900 per share. We saw it have a bit of a correction after a 5, 6, 7x return over the last year or so. So we've still seen it up over 200% for the year. But since about January, we've seen the price consolidate. Now we're finally starting to bounce back. We're seeing all EVs across the board do well. So news like this coming out of China, where they say regulators are recalling hundreds of thousands of vehicles, it's really just spreading FUD and misinformation, and it is very frustrating because people aren't going to look into the actual details. They're just going to say, oh, 285,000, 300,000 vehicles were recalled, when in reality, it was simply just a software update. So it's frustrating, but I wanted to clear that up. Just a quick little update for you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what your thoughts are on Tesla or on the media doing these sorts of titles that really just try and generate clicks, when in reality they could have just had a software update. But let me know what you guys think. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.